Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you the walk around and the drive review of the brand new 2020 Tata Harrier. This is the top model of the Harrier, which is XZA Plus diesel automatic, which comes with the famous feature of the car, which is panoramic sunroof. This, as you can see, this is the dual tone variant of the Tata Harrier, which is red and black. This is the side profile of the Tata Harrier. As we know that the Tata Harrier is known for its size, the car. And as we come to the back door, it's also fully leather wrapped. The every brown color here you can see it's leather wrapped. And the Tata Harrier is the most famous for its sound system, as this was the first car to bring the JBL sound systems. The sound system is very good. This is the main feature for what the Tata Harrier is known as, which is the panoramic sunroof. Is the biggest in the segment. We take Creta or Jeep Compass, it's bigger than that. And this is the front dashboard of the Tata Harrier. This is also the upper part of the dashboard is fully made by soft touch. And this is the MID of the Tata Harrier. This is half analog, half digital, 7-inch digital screen. You can see. And this is the view of Tata Harrier in night. All the lights are on. And this is the gear of the Tata Harrier, which we get in the only in diesel automatic. It's very smooth and very soft to touch. As you can see, this is of awkward finish. The Tata call this as awkward finish. And this is the steering. The steering looks very big and very good. When we come to the AC controls, it's very convenient, it's very good. Now let's start with the driving experience of the Tata Harrier. As we know that the Tata is famous for its diesel engines. The same has been continued in this car also. The diesel engine of this car is very smooth, very fast. The pickup, there is no comparison between these pickups. Even Jeep Compass is slower than this car. This car has big, but the power is very good. You will just press the throttle, the car will run like anything. And it has modes. Yeah, it has modes. The first is the sports mode, and second we have the eco mode, and third we have the city mode. We have traction control also, which is first with the wet mode, and then we have the rough mode, which is shown on the MID, which mode in which you are driving. And when we come to its famous feature is the panoramic sunroof, the huge panoramic sunroof. It's very good. And when we come to its screen quality, the screen quality is HD. It's very smooth to control. It's nothing that you can feel that it's laggy. It's very smooth. And this is the gear, you can see. And when we come again to the driving, the steering wheel is little hard, but it's good for an SUV. It's give you more confidence that you are driving a great SUV. You can see this is the leather on the door, and you have the silver finish handles on the door. This is the here you can go and make the sports mode by pressing that button. The suspension of this car is very good. You can't feel that this suspension is independent. Means it's a very good suspension. No problem in this suspension. It's very good. No car can comparison of this suspension. The suspension is as good as the Fortuner or the Endeavour. The suspension is very good. Even you will be very large roads, very rough road also, it will go like a smooth and comfortable ride. That makes a very comfortable ride. So guys, thanks for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like and click the bell icon for more updates.